This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and this is again a daily candlestick chart of the SPY, which we track week to week. And this is where we ended off last week, where I drew the circle here. And I said we have a target of 500 in the S&P. That's the nice round number. And we reached that the next day. And then you can see we had a little more follow through. The RSI is now overbought at that point. We got a nice transitioning candle. The CPI report came out. And boom, the market gapped down here into some demand. And you can see the market has since rallied a couple of days. Here we are currently. There's a gap to fill just a bit higher than where the market has traded so far today. So we may fill that gap back to this prior day's close here. But the problem for the bulls right now is we are back into some supply here where we've seen sellers. The RSI has not been able to cross back above its moving average. It would need to do that if we were going to make a new high or a higher high here. If it fails to, we may go sideways here. This is telling us the pressure is still to the sell side with the RSI below its moving average here. So we'll see if we fill this gap, maybe we top out and make another leg down, retest the support here. If the RSI, for whatever reason, they can cross back above that moving average, whatever the high is on the day that happens, if that gets taken out, we should get another run up, similar to this period where the RSI was below that moving average. Here it crossed above on this day right here. And once they took the high of that day out, which they did the next day, we got another run there for a couple of days. All right, so we'll see how that shapes up. Not much in the way of economic data next week. We've got the FOMC minutes on Wednesday and Thursday's S&P Global Manufacturing PMI and Services PMI. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.